Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Meliani Sara. I'm from University of Indonesia. Today I'm going to present my research. The title is The Impact of CEO Succession in Family Firms Towards Firm Performance with the Mediating Effect of Strategic Initiative and Socio-Emotional Wealth. The outline of the presentation is first the title, the abstract, introduction, methods, results and discussion, conclusion, and the references. First, I'm going to talk about the abstract. CEO succession is a vital and inevitable process in family firms. In a family firms, apart from pursuing financial goals, preserving socio-emotional wealth is the main concern of company management to perpetuate its business. To maintain a competitive advantage, companies need strategic initiative from company management to be able to aggressively realize and seize market opportunities. The purpose of this research is to see the effect of CEO succession on corporate strategy initiative and socio-emotional wealth, which will ultimately improve company performance. This study uses a survey method where data is collected using a questionnaire sent to the management of the company. The research method used is structural equation modeling, partial least square, to test 98 respondents. The result proved that CEO succession has influence on strategic initiative and socio-emotional wealth. However, CEO succession doesn't have a direct influence on company performance. The mediation of strategic initiative can mediate the relationship between CEO succession and company performance. Meanwhile, socio-emotional wealth cannot mediate the relationship between CEO succession and company performance. Referring to the result obtained, this study contributes to the theoretical development in the context of strategic management and managerial realization for companies in Indonesia. The introduction of the research. So, succession is a vital and inevitable process in family firm. Only 30% of family business survive to the second generation, which only 12% survive to the third generation, and only 3% can be operated by the fourth generation. The CEO is considered having a significant impact on the firm performance. Empirical studies supporting succession as a disruptive event between the CEO and the manager of the sport team have been found in the literature. But there are also studies that show positive results on firm performance. Thus, the main effect of CEO succession on performance is still unclear. Aside from reaching financial goals, family business also plan to comply with their non-financial goals, including the needs for a social and emotional. It's called socio-emotional wealth. Succession planning has been proven to be very helpful in ensuring the continuity of family business and have strong impact to one of the socio-emotional wealth dimension. Choosing the right succession is a crucial decision for family business to make, because the CEO is responsible for the firm performance and all the strategic decisions among the company, and strategic initiative initiated by the new CEO may affect the performance. The purpose of this research is to see the effect of CEO succession on corporate strategy initiative and socio-emotional wealth, which will improve company performance. So the research design proposed is, you can see in the figure in the presentation. There are 5 variables. The first is CEO succession. Consists of 2 types succession. The first is family successor, and the second is non-family successor. And then there is strategic initiative variable. Consists of 3 dimensions: product innovation, process innovation, and market development. And then there are resources, consists of 4 dimensions: capabilities, organizational asset, reputational assets, and tangible assets. And then the 4th variable is socio-emotional wealth, consists of 5 dimensions. The first is family control and influence, identification of family members with the firm, binding social ties, emotional attachment of family members, And the last is renewal of family bond through dynastic succession. And the last variable is financial firm performance, which consists two variables, financial performance and non-financial performance. And the hypothesis of the research, there are 8 hypothesis statements. First, hypothesis, CEO succession have influence towards strategic initiative. Hypothesis 2, CEO succession have influence towards socio-emotional wealth. Hypothesis 3, CEO succession have influence toward firm performance. Hypothesis 4, CEO succession with the moderating effect of resources have influence toward the firm performance. Hypothesis 5, strategic initiative have influence toward firm performance. Hypothesis 6, socio-emotional wealth have influence toward firm performance. Hypothesis 7, CEO succession with the mediating effect of strategic initiative have influence toward firm performance. And hypothesis 8, CEO succession with the mediating effect of socio-emotional wealth have influence toward firm performance. This study uses a quantitative approach. The unit of analysis in this study is family company in Indonesia that has CEO change. The samples in this study are the leader of the company, which can be owners, CEO, and senior managers. The sample quantity is considered eligible if the minimum sample is 30 until 500. In this study, all variables were measured using Likert scale ranging from 1 to 6. Measurement of operational variable uses previous studies on succession in family firms, strategic initiative, socio-emotional wealth, resources, and company performance. The data used in the firm is the primary data. The data analysis technique use structural equation model with partial least square. This is the results and discussion of the research. So the first test is convergent validity. This test analysis toward the convergent validity is done to see the correlation measuring with other measuring factors which came from the same construct. So based on the results table, there is no problem overall with the average variance extracted, which is if AVE is more than 0.5, so there are no indicators eliminated from the research model. So the indicator considered to be valid. Furthermore, internal consistency testing is carried out by looking at the value of Cronbach alpha and composite reliability, which its value has more than 0.7, so it can be considered as reliable. So as you can see in the table, the composite reliability is more than 0.7 and the Cronbach alpha is more than 0.6. So all the dimension is also reliable. Next is the result of structural model, which is you can see at the table. There are 8 hypothesis statements. The first hypothesis, the result is significant. So CEO succession have influence towards strategic initiative. And then the second hypothesis is also significant. CEO succession have influence towards socio-emotional wealth. The evaluation of the structural model of the PET coefficient on the direct effect can be seen from the table and can be stated to be significant if the T statistic is more than 1.96 and the p-value is less than 0.05. And then next, for the third hypothesis, CEO succession have influence toward firm performance is not significant. The hypothesis 4, CEO succession with the moderating effect of resources to firm performance is also not significant. Hypothesis 5 is significant. You can see the p-value is 0.012. So strategic initiative have influence toward firm performance. Meanwhile, the hypothesis 6, is not significant. Socio-emotional wealth doesn't have significant effect to firm performance. And then hypothesis 7, CEO succession with the mediating effect of strategic initiative have influence toward firm performance. This is significant. And the last hypothesis is not significant. So, CEO succession is a process of major change in an organization, which requires adaptability from the organization to respond. However, it is proven that the existence of strategic initiative after CEO succession can mediate the relation between CEO succession and company performance. So, it can be concluded that even though the succession is said to be a process of disruption due to the major changes that bring in new ideas, namely like product innovation, process innovation, and market development, this will positively affect company performance after the CEO change. So the conclusion of the research, the finding from the study contribute to the concept of succession in family firms. From the study, it was found that with the post-CEO succession strategic initiative, the company's performance would improve. This research has managerial implication for family firms in Indonesia. Family business owners can consider potential successor from family members or non-family members. Successor from outside family members will have more influence on strategic initiative compared to successor from family members. Meanwhile, the influence on socio-emotional wealth will be greater from family members. However, to support the company's performance after succession, the variable that needed is strategic initiative. Therefore, after the succession of CEO from family members and outside family members, the company leaders must maximize the development of company's strategic initiative so that they can influence company performance after the succession. The strategic initiative can have a positive effect on improving the company's performance financially and non-financially after succession. And then this is the references that been used in the research. So that concludes my research. Thank you for the attention.